Changing the email link to your Cash App account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Email. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Email or Personal Information. Tap on it to proceed to the email management section. Step 4. Update your email. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the email is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. Before starting recovery, use the ASRock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generate and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you've completed these steps, your Cash App account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Cash App support for assistance.